Running a small business these days feels like trying to fill a leaky bucket. Costs are pouring in from all sides. Energy bills, rent, insurance, you name it. A recent NAB survey found that 76% of small to medium-sized businesses expect their operating costs to rise in 2025, with only 2% anticipating a decrease, and energy prices are a real kicker. Small businesses across Australia are facing hefty price hikes on power bills, but it's not all doom and gloom. Savvy business owners are fighting back, streamlining operations, negotiating with suppliers, and embracing energy-efficient practices. Here are 3 ways to tackle rising operational costs. Firstly, review your expenses regularly and look for areas to cut back. Secondly, negotiate better deals with your suppliers. And finally, implement energy-saving strategies like using LED lighting or adopting smarter tech solutions. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. So try these tips today.